Alright guys, we're at one of my favorite spillways. Started off the day by helping the turtle across the street. Showed my girlfriend her first snapping turtle. Nobody, not this way.
He's so cute.
Not that way.
He's so cute.
They're draining this though. And I guess they're trying to fix it. Oh wow, they got the walls all the way down. Check that out. We're full flow. I just got down here and there's a fish in this puddle. Someone caught a fish and stuck him in the puddle. Just really f***ed up. I get it's a creek chub and everything, but like, dude, I think he's gonna die in here. Oh, he's alive. He's very alive. Here we go. Jesus. First fish of the day. Hand caught him. Get him back in the colder water in the river, in the main body of water here. Well, see you later, buddy. Off strong. Yeah, this water's much cooler. That's ridiculous. I can see if it was a trout and you're keeping it and you put it in the pool, but like, just leaving a fish there, that's kind of scummy. We're gonna start with our classic night crawler on a little jig head. See what we can get going here. Casting it right to the edge of the current there. What was that? He was still on there. There's one. Wow, that drag's a little loose. There we go. First fish of the day, guys. Little smallmouth bass. The night crawler. Ah, see you later. Little pro tip, if you're a worm fisherman, keep your worms in a little puddle like this. That's obviously not going to let them float away. And your worms will never overheat. There's one. What do we got? Creek chub. It's literally every drop all of a sudden. I was fishing here at the beginning. Couldn't get a bite other than a couple smallmouth. Now it's every single drop. Check that out. Just beautiful fish. Some of y'all would call that bait. I call that a fun fish to catch. You catfish and saltwater fishermen will be like, oh, you're catching bait. Well, I'm also 6 hours from the closest shoreline and about the same distance from the closest catfishing place. We don't got catfish up this north. It's just too cold up here for them. They wouldn't be able to make it through the winters. Try it right at our feet again. Oh, there we go. That's not bad. What is that? That feels trouty with the head shakes. That feels trouty. Creek chub. See, I'll never complain about these. We were pretty close to a state record the other day out of this river, not this spillway. See you later, buddy. Oh, see you later, buddy. We're pretty close to a state record one out of this river the other day. Not this spillway, but this river. Oh, that's a good fish. What do we got here? Another creek chub. They're all the same size. Come on, buddy. This thing's got super soft mouths. Dude, every single time. Another one. Ooh, that's a rainbow. We got a trout, guys. We got a trout. I wasn't recording and right off, but he bit right at my feet. This is right after we caught that creek chub. Oh man. What a beautiful, beautiful fish. Freaking love these things. Let's get him back. There he goes. Try it again. Try it again right here at our feet. Right at the feet. Dude up on the bridge watching me. Hello. Ooh, it's a perch! Species number 3! Wow, he wanted that too. Wow, he really, really, really wanted that. That thing is down there. He is not doing the hottest. We'll get a quick look at him. He's got like a weird sore here anyways. He's been bashed up hard. But we're gonna take care of him off camera. Well, here's our perch. He is all tweaked in the back. Look at his tail. He's a super tweaked fish. So I guess it's better that he got put out. I love the bottom. Alright. If I don't get something to bite, I don't know what will. Just after my GoPro died, we got this beautiful, beautiful natural brook trout. You can see no clip fins. All natural beauty. Get him unhooked real quick and I'll get him in the water. Alright, once again, one good look at that natural brook trout right after the GoPro died. Absolutely gorgeous fish. Let's get him back. Oh, that is not the right way, buddy. Here, we'll get you a little bit deeper. Look at how beautiful these fish are. don't know why he's not going. There we go. Super slow swim off. It's kind of warm water, that's why, probably, but... Alright, I forgot to record a outro, so like, subscribe, do all that YouTube stuff. And we'll be posting at least twice a week. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.